Guys, welcome to my channel. We're now here in my rooftop garden, guys. Just updating our plants here. This time we have pole beans. They're now climbing up. Let's plant, guys. And we have few ornamental plants here. These are the new batch of plants here. Hope they will bear fruits, guys. Let's plant, guys, at the rooftop garden. Good morning, guys. We're here in our rooftop garden. I'm happy, guys, because the pole beans are now starting to bear fruits. This one, guys. Also have here let's plant, guys. It's possible even on our rooftop. Dun, dun, dun. Other plants are still growing. Thank you, guys. Hello, guys. My plants. Selfie with my plants, guys. Okra. They're okra, guys. There's a malunggay. My long pole beans. Tan 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 tan. Da, da, da. You can now hide. Pole beans, guys, are just planted on a rain gutter, guys. This one, guys, look at the potty, the trunks. Hi, guys, we're in my garden. Let's plant, guys. My plants here. These are pole beans on pots, guys. And now they are having fruits. Okay, guys. Try to measure, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's harvest okra, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. We have here some, guys. I forgot there is one here, guys. It got too big already. Tang 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 tang. Tang tang tang. Kaway kaway. Asindero. Video yun kaya hindi ko na napinda. This is our rooftop garden, guys. Just on the second floor area with the chicken at the rooftop. Third floor. Let's plant, guys. Gardening is possible even on our rooftop. Tang, tang, tang. I was able to plant some pole beans. So guys, the fruit of the pole beans. It's almost 1 yard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, these are pole beans flowers. And these are onion flowers. Malunggay flowers. We have okra flowers, guys. They're amazing, right? They are flowers of the edibles, guys, at my rooftop garden. Let's plant, guys. We have here blue ternati. Guys, we will harvest our pole beans now because it's very long already. We also have here, guys, enough. Thank you, Lord. We can have free food again. Let's plant, guys, for free food. Thank you for watching.